have been visiting a farm in Fukushima that was exposed to radiation after the 2011 accident. I met living and dying cows and horses and learned about the rancher's deep sadness and strong anger. And then I started to take the farm as the theme of my works. The theme of the trilogy here is Hiroshima and Fukushima. Hiroshima, Fukushima. I drew a large life. I used to draw in monochrome, death or animals. It still passes in Fukushima. But as time went on, my mindset has been changing, turning death into life. I try to express the preciousness of life by drawing these animals. I want the cries of life, animals, plants, microorganisms, and even inorganic matters to be heard from generation to generation. One of the paintings displayed in the Sakura room depicts the Daigoku Maru, which was exposed to radiation from the Castle Bravo nuclear test, and the hymn to Hibakushumoku, or atomic bomb trees. The title is Two Suns. Do you know? It wasn't just the Daigoku Maru. More than 1,000 ships were exposed to the radiation, and each of the ships had its name, its entrance the room. The washi painting has hole in it. All living things have their own crack, and the crack is only place their light or hope could enter. And the painting tells us this painting will end with me. I want to see it here and now. We are all alive, knowing there will be death. Paintings are also alive. Every day during the conference, I organize workshops. You can join with Hiroshima citizens. Please visit the Sakura room to join the workshop. You create the life together. I want to express life. Thank you.